If you don't meet the requirements for the degree, the foundation year is there to get you up to speed. It's the same subject areas as what you'll be studying in any of the degree pathways, only slightly lighter in the sense that it's very practical focused. There's still some academic work there as well, but maybe a little bit less demanding and focused on the skills that you need to go out and do this in the real world. What inspires you? Let's analyse that, let's deconstruct that, and let's see what you can take away and how you can put that into your music. You're here to learn, and you're here to learn to make mistakes as well, and you're here to express yourself sort of creatively. We have a lot of feedback sessions. We make sure this is a very positive atmosphere around that, and everyone's sort of open and willing to make mistakes, and of course willing to reflect on that and learn from them as well. Once you've finished the foundation degree, you're fully up to speed, if not more equipped than someone coming in at level 4. You know the place, you know the lecturers, you've had a real chance to kind of get your teeth into the subject area. The foundation year is your comprehensive first step into the music industry.